Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Okay, my beloved kings and queens, welcome back. My name is Joyce McTeer, and welcome to part 3 of Crafty Friday. All right, y'all. So today I have been uploading videos just pertaining to these clay beads that I started off. I showed y'all how to make the clay beads. I showed y'all how to make a bracelet from the clay beads. And now we're going to do something simple, a simple pair of earrings using memory wire, okay? So here are the items that you are going to need. Once again, you're going to need these seed beads. I got these from Walmart. You're going to need some clay beads. Now, I'm only going to use 2 of my clay beads. You're going to need some black beads and some brown beads. I pretty much told y'all where I got these. I got these from Walmart in a stash that look like this. And these beads came from another stash that another haul I did months ago using these wood beads right here, okay, from Walmart. Now, you're going to need your your wire cutters. I don't know why I keep wanting to say aluminum wire. And your round nose pliers and some memory wire. And you're also going to need some fish hooks, okay, for the end of the video. So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut our memory wire. So I cut a piece right here, and I'm going to show you how to make one earring. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut another piece because I want to make sure that these are both the same size, pretty much. Okay. And we're going to be using some of these. Now, these are going to be really quick and fast. These are going to be earrings that you can make in like a matter of seconds, okay? So basically, what we're going to do is we're going to take and put on our clay bead. We're going to put the clay bead in the middle. That's going to be just like that. And we're going to take one brown bead, one spacer small bead, and put it right here on one side. We're going to put one on the other side, and then we're going to take our black bead, and we're going to add our black bead on both sides. Now, if you have some smaller black beads, you can use some smaller black beads if you want. It's completely up to you. And then we're going to add on some brown ones on the side. Just like this. Then we're going to add these brown ones right here on. And then the smaller brown ones. And we're going to do this on both sides. Okay. And this is all you do. This is it right here. This is the earring. Now let me move these to the side. Now, it's up to you. What you can do is you can add some smaller ones. You can bring the smaller ones all the way up if you want to give it a totally different look. Okay, but I choose to just go with this look right here. And all I'm going to do, I'm going to make a loop at the top, just like this, of my bead, my wire. I'm going to squeeze it in. Okay. And then I'm going to take this piece right here. I'm going to pinch it. I'm going to actually bend it this way to the side. So you're going to have a piece going over, and then you're going to have a piece going to the side. The next thing you do is you bring that together like that. So you like hook it. And then you want to take and you want to squeeze this in just like this. Okay, you want to squeeze it in. Okay. And that's pretty much what you're going to have. All right, y'all. So all you do is you take your fish hook. You add your fish hook on. You close it up. And you're going to have yourself a really gorgeous pair of earrings. Okay, now these is going to move around, but they're cute. And they will go exactly with this beautiful, gorgeous bracelet that you have here. All right, so like I said, if you want to, you can add these small ones on, take it completely up, or you can do this type of look right here. It's completely up to you. You can also add on more wood beads, but the more you add on, the heavier you're going to make the earring. So the clay bead has a little weight to it, so you don't want it to be too heavy, okay? So if you, like I said, you can add more of these on. That's pretty much what I would do. All right, so with that being said, here go your earrings and your matching bracelet. And you have a gorgeous set right there. And with that being said, please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. And until the next one, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.